Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your user profile picture on your Windows 11 computer. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. Select Accounts on the left side. And then over here on the right, select where it says Your Info. So go ahead and left click on that. Adjust your photo. You can select Open Camera if you want to take a picture. Otherwise, you can select Browse Files for a local photo that's saved on your computer. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.